Hello everyone. I'm not at the factory today but in a hotel while on a business trip. Even so, I still feel I must talk to you all. I know that the biggest worry for B2B sourcing is running into a trap. Are you always afraid that your suppliers aren't strong enough and will let you down at crucial moments? Afraid that product quality will be substandard and damage your business reputation? And afraid that after cooperating, you won't be able to find anyone to solve problems and will only be able to worry helplessly? Don't worry, today I'll use this phone to show you our solid strength, so you can cooperate with us with complete peace of mind. First, let's look at our core strengths. We are Eco Foreign Trade, specializing in the wholesale of eco-friendly furniture and smart home products. We hold SEC Sustainable Timber and Matter Smart Home certifications. Furthermore, we have co-established a laboratory with Zhejiang University, with the technical support of top universities. We have made great strides, obtaining 27 patents. This isn't just talk. We have a patent list to prove it. This robust technical guarantee keeps our product failure rate consistently below 0.5%. Perhaps you haven't seen our 50,000 square meters production base in person, but that's okay. I'll show you real footage.
Pop the pill, what's the deal? I don't feel it anymore. Pop the pill, what's the you know I've been down on the floor. I cried every day, you know this ain't real anymore. It's a dream on the door, it's a dream on the board. It's a life and you want me hold tighter. Reminisce all times my relighter. Said you feel it in your throat when I sing. You know what I mean, you know what I mean. Pop the pill, what's the deal? I don't feel it anymore. Pop the pill, what's the you know I've been down on the floor. I cried every day, you know this ain't real anymore. It's a dream on the door, it's a dream on the board. It's a life and you want me hold tighter.
The equipment here achieves a precision of 0.1 millimeter with such high precision. Even in mass production, the quality of every product remains consistent. Next, let's look at our clients. To date, we've supplied over 500 companies worldwide. One Nordic brand in particular has been full of praise, reporting a 35% cost reduction and a 90% improvement in product quality after partnering with us. In the B2B industry, customer word of mouth is the best advertising. Next, let's talk about the products and after-sales service that everyone is most concerned about. Our robotic vacuum cleaners, whether with 200 PA or 3700 PA suction power, and our pet feeders have all passed international certifications. Our solid wood furniture uses SEC certified wood, truly achieving zero formaldehyde, making it environmentally friendly and healthy. Regarding after-sales service, you don't need to worry at all. We offer a 3-year warranty on smart devices and a 5-year warranty on our furniture. In fact, doing B2B business is all about long-term trust. We don't have any fancy gimmicks. We only offer solid guarantees. If you're interested in a particular product, or if you'd like to request a sample or inquire about a quote, simply click Request a Quote on the website. My team and I are online 24/7, ready to connect with you anytime. We welcome your detailed questions. We're only concerned if you don't understand us. We sincerely look forward to working with you to bring these great products to more customers.